Hello and welcome back. I'm Gayatri from Culinary Nirvana. Today I'm going to show you a delicious and quite out of the box mushroom spaghetti recipe. For this dish, I'm using some unique ingredients such as vanilla powder. I know, you heard it right. I'm going to use that and I'm going to pair it with some nutmeg, cream and some herbs. Trust me, it sounds a little bit wacky, but this dish is an absolute delight. So let's get started. Right, so these are the ingredients to make this mushroom pasta. I am using spelt spaghetti. I have cooked the spaghetti till it was al dente and I have saved the pasta water with one wet stock cube in it. I'm using some basil, some oregano, some red, black and white pepper crushed, nutmeg, vanilla powder, 1/3 cups of cream, mushrooms, I'm using brown mushrooms, 3 cloves of garlic, chili chopped, and I'm going to use some sunflower seed oil to flavor this pasta in the end. I'm going to cook the pasta in olive oil and of course some salt. So let's get started. Right, my pot is hot. I'm going to add some oil in there. I'm just going to add about 1 teaspoon of oil. Right, my oil is hot. I'm going to add the mushrooms. After adding the mushrooms, I'm just going to spread them evenly everywhere. And I'm not going to touch them for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Right, so it has been 2 minutes. I'm just going to give the mushrooms a little stir. And once the mushrooms are nice, crispy and brown, I'm going to take them out and put them aside. Right, as you can see, my mushrooms are nice, crispy and brown. I'm going to just fish them out. Don't worry about this pan. You can just add a little bit of baking soda and vinegar and this will come right off. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add more oil. So about 1 tablespoon of it. And then I'm going to add the garlic. And I'm going to saute the garlic just for 30 to 40 seconds. Right, my garlic is nice and golden brown. I'm going to add the chilies in there. I'm going to give it a stir and fry the chilies for 20 seconds. Right, at this point I'm going to add half of my oregano. And the browned mushrooms back in there. After adding the mushrooms, I'm just going to give it a mix. Add my spices, which is the red, white and black pepper. A little bit of salt. Now I'm going to add the cream. I'm just going to add some pasta water in this cream jug so it gets nice and cleaned. And I'm going to simmer this for just 2 minutes. Right, so it has been about 2 minutes and as you can see my cream is nice and bubbling. Now I'm going to add about this much of the vanilla powder. You can use vanilla paste or you can use vanilla extract. I would recommend using either powder or the paste. After adding the vanilla, I'm just going to give it a mix. And then I'm going to grate some nutmeg in this sauce. I'm going to give it a mix. And now I am going to add this spaghetti in there. After adding the spaghetti, I'm going to use my egg fork and I'm just going to mix the spaghetti with the sauce. And my spaghetti is slightly less than al dente, so it's going to get cooked in this sauce. I'm going to add a little bit more pasta water in there. Right, at this point, if you want, you can add a little bit more cream if you prefer creamy pastas. For me, this is perfect, so I'm just going to add a little bit more pasta water. So in total, I have added half a cup. After mixing everything together, I'm going to keep the gas on medium and cook this spaghetti for about 3 to 5 minutes or it is perfectly cooked. Alright, lovely people, so it has been 5 minutes and my spaghetti is properly cooked. I am going to add the rest of the oregano in there. And then I'm going to just grab these basil leaves. I'm just going to kind of tear them with my hand. This is a very rustic style pasta, so you don't need to chop them. And then just mix it well. I'm going to turn the gas off. Now, so there is one thing left, which is just flavoring this pasta with this gorgeous sunflower seed oil. So I'm just going to add that everywhere. This oil is going to give that fantastic creamy nutty flavor to this pasta. Just going to mix it well, and voila, your mushroom spaghetti is ready. Alright, lovely people, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and I hope you give this mushroom spaghetti recipe a try. Trust me, this dish tastes fantastic with garlic bread on the side. I've tried it and I love it. If you want the recipe, you can visit my website. All the information about my website and the social media is in the description box below. If you have enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and see you again. Bye-bye.